Word of the day, word of the week, you guys. Adversity, right? And I say that word because we're not in a glamorous industry. You may have friends, family, colleagues, whoever it is. Oh, that's fun. That's cool. That you own a cleaning company or you're doing cleaning on the side. Well, I'd say in our industry, we should be the ones with the thickest skin right now because of that, right? And I say that because you start to stack up those chips, right? When you get that look, when you get that smirk, you're always referred to as the cleaning people, right? How funny is that? When we should be, noticed or known as frontline specialists, frontline workers. The word everybody's using, right? Essential services. Like I said, let's stack those chips up, stack up and use those comments, use those remarks. Supersede all expectations, guys. And the sky's the limit. So get out there. I got to get over there. That's my morning run path. So I will see you guys in the next one.